If you are a small YouTuber or new to this whole YouTube game, then it can be so daunting trying to grow your channel when it might seem like every single person and their grandma is on YouTube. I have heard so many creators say that the YouTube algorithm only works for big YouTubers and it absolutely does nothing for small YouTubers. And quite frankly, I just don't think that's true. That's why in today's video, we are going to be diving right into the YouTube algorithm to better understand how it operates and to learn how you can use it to grow your channel from 0 subscribers and 0 views. This is also the first video in my YouTube marketing series, so make sure you subscribe and turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on any other tips that come in the future. If you are new to my channel, then welcome! I am so glad that you're here. My name is Shania, and I want you to leave a comment down below telling me how you use YouTube to connect with your audience for your business. If you were around in 2010, then you might remember that this was when everyone on YouTube was using clickbait titles to get views. But then, once the viewer realized that the video didn't actually match up with the title, then they might have clicked away from the video or maybe even exited YouTube. So over the last few years, YouTube has kind of shifted their attention away from just getting views, and they've really changed the algorithm to basically help viewers find videos that they actually want to watch and to encourage watch time and engagement. So to begin this discussion on how the YouTube algorithm works, first it's really important to understand how these non-subscribers are coming to find your videos. Now, we love our subscribers, we really do, but if you want to see growth in your channel, then you're going to want to be attracting people who have never seen your videos before, aka your non-subscribers. To be honest with you guys, as a small channel, it's going to be nearly impossible to have your video show up on the trending page, or to have your video show up on the homepage unless someone has already watched one of your videos before. And it's also going to be hard to have your video show up on the suggested page. And as for the subscription page, if you only have 20 subscribers, then your video is only showing up in front of 20 people. So I truly believe that as a small channel, your best option for people finding you is through search. So the first part of the algorithm that we're going to break down is the keyword research. One thing that I think a lot of people do forget is that at its core, YouTube is a search engine. And not only that, but it's the second biggest search engine only behind Google. So doing the proper keyword research will really help you drive traffic to your videos. Now, SEO or search engine optimization might sound daunting if you don't come from a marketing background, but don't worry, I'm going to break it down real simple for you guys. Whenever you hear the word keywords, it just means the words or phrases that people are typing in when they're searching for something. And just like with Google, when you start typing in these keywords into the YouTube search bar, your suggestions are listed below based off of popularity, which means the keywords listed at the top are the ones that people are searching for more frequently and the ones that are most likely going to be able to drive traffic to your video than if you included keywords that aren't even listed. So that is just something to keep in mind when you're trying to choose the keywords that you're going to use to describe your video. Now, lots of people stop their keyword research at that last step, but because you are watching this video, then you're gonna know that there's another super important step. So now that you've identified what keyword phrases people are searching for, you also want to check to see how many videos are ranked underneath those keywords. Identifying a keyword that has way less results, like maybe about 50,000, that's going to be way more effective in getting your video ranked under those keywords than if you were using a keyword that has like 1 million views or something like that. How many times can I say keywords in this video? So once you've done all of this research and you found which keywords are going to drive traffic, you want to make sure you're using it anywhere you can in your video. So make sure you're using it in your title, your description, your hashtags, and even in what you're saying in the video. Another thing that's really going to affect your growth is your click-through rate. Okay, now let me break this down for you guys. If YouTube starts recommending your video, then they also want to make sure that people are going to click on it and that they're going to enjoy it. If YouTube is recommending your video to 100 people and only 5 people are actually clicking on it, then YouTube is going to be like, hey, people don't actually like this video. Maybe we should stop recommending it to people. So how do you improve your click-through rate? By making sure your title is engaging. You want to hook people into your video before you even open your mouth. Now, remember what I said about clickbait titles at the beginning, about how people would click away from the video if the title and the video just were completely different? If you do decide to use clickbait, because I do think that that can be a good way of engaging with someone, just make sure that your video actually lives up to the title, man. And probably the most effective way of increasing your click-through rate is by having a great thumbnail. Guys, at my real job, I spend so much time telling my clients that they should improve their thumbnail, and once they optimize their thumbnail, their views go up so much. So don't forget about the power of thumbnails. When you're customizing your thumbnail, make sure you use a high quality image that clearly shows your face with an engaging and intriguing expression. And if you decide to add text or small icons, just make sure that it's not too distracting and it's kind of a clean and aesthetic layout. So far, we've learned that to do well with the algorithm, YouTube takes in consideration your keywords and your click-through rate. But one of the most important factors that we can't forget about is your engagement. They want to make sure that people are actually enjoying your video if they're going to suggest it to more people. So keywords get you to appear in search, your click-through rate and thumbnail get people to click on your video, but then your video has to be like freaking amazing for people to actually watch it and be engaged and leave comments and likes. And let me tell you that your engagement rate is so important to have success on YouTube. So the more likes and comments you get, and the more that people are clicking around on your end screens and actually staying on your channel and watching your other content, then the more likely YouTube is to recommend your video out to a wider range of people. You always hear people in their videos going, leave a comment down below and make sure you give this video a like. And that is called a call to action. And those are just another great way to encourage engagement on your videos, because remember, engagement on your videos is super important for your success. And once people start leaving comments, then you should really be there replying to every single comment, because that is the easiest way to double your comments. And guess what? That is another easy way to increase your engagement rate. And another recommendation that I have for you guys is to post consistently. This probably isn't new information to you, but I'm gonna say it again anyways. By uploading consistently, it builds an expectation with your subscribers that they can expect new content from you every 2 weeks or however often you decide to upload. So it creates that subscriber loyalty, but it's also providing your channel with more content for people to watch. 1, this helps you get more views and increases your watch time because there's more content for people to watch now. And 2, the more videos that someone watches, even if they're not subscribed to you, then the more likely it is for your videos to appear in their homepage than if they have never ever seen one of your videos before. Plus, the search feature is different for every person, and it's actually more tailored based off of someone's viewing history. So if you've watched one of my videos before, then I'm actually going to rank higher in search than someone who has around the same number of views and engagement rate as me. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and at least have a better understanding of how the YouTube algorithm works and how you can use it to grow your channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want more YouTube tips. There is that call to action I was talking about. Make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications on, because in next week's video, I'm going to be doing an even deeper dive into how to optimize your channel and your videos to create even bigger growth with your channel. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys later. Bye!